and as it is Onam today, I wish everyone happy Onam. So in this video, we are going to make a Onam special craft. But in this video, the video is not proper because after I took the video, unfortunately the videos got deleted. So I just wanted to show you how that is, and I'm just showing a simple way, and it is not proper because the videos got deleted, and I just wanted to explain it to you. So in a short video I just explain it to you. So let's see how to make it. I'm using this kind of filter. This is broken and old, and popsicle sticks for this idea. As I showed in the photo, there was a red filter and popsicle sticks. Actually, that was a broken one and it was an old one. Unfortunately, what happened was when I was editing and filming it, after some time that video got deleted. So I just wanted to show you how it is made. I hope you will adjust with me this time because it is not that much good, this video. So let's get started. I have taken the new one that I have bought, and we need popsicle sticks also in that video as it is shown, and I'm going to stick it like this using glue gun. You can stick it as your desire. You can stick it like this, how you want, and then we need to stick it fully. The next thing we want is foam. I had taken white color foam. That foam we need to stick it over here. Before that, using the glue gun, we need to stick it over here like this. The net is over here. This will come out easily. So I just put hot glue over here so that it can stay over there. Then we need the foam, and we need to stick the foam inside, foam sheet inside. Then we need a long piece of foam sheet that we just want to keep it as a handle like this, and with that also we need the popsicle sticks. This is not necessary, I just made it for the decoration, and I have measured a little bit over on the popsicle stick, and I have cut it out. Like that I have made many, and I am sticking on the long piece of foam sheet that we are using as a handle. And then I took a cake board to keep it inside. This is not necessary because it is a net. I thought I will just keep a cake board. I got the perfect size cake board, so I just kept it inside. If you don't have a cake board, you can keep cardboard also by measuring this size. And that one I did not glue it down, I just kept it there. First I kept the board, then I just put the foam sheet because it will be hard to keep it after sticking it. And then at the bottom, after putting the popsicle sticks, I just put some jute for decoration, and I will show you the real one how I made it. This was the basket I had made earlier, and here there was a popsicle stick that came out, and you can see that it is red in color, the picture I showed, and I have sticked it over here like this. And this was an old one, so wherever it was broken I just put masking tape. As you can see here, a little part is there, and here also I have put masking tape because here there was a hole. Then this is the handle I have told. It is made from foam, the thin strip of foam, and in top of that, as I told, first we need to cut it till this much, and like this I made more, and I just sticked it over here in a zigzag pattern like this. And inside also I put the foam here, and the cake board is also there. Instead of this you can keep cardboard also. Then for the decoration I put jute over here, For putting this jute easily on this, first you can put masking tape first over this entirely, then you can put the jute. Here you can see a small part of the masking tape, and then I put a flower over here also. This is also made from jute. For making this flower, I just took 3 jute together and I just braid it together, and then I made a bow. Then at last, at the end of the bow, you will get something like this. The bow will be like this, and the end it will be like this. And from the end I just took it and glue it over here like this, and top of that I put a bindi also. Then at the sides over here also you can see I have put bindi. It is just for decoration, like this. I have taken out this popsicle stick for showing, so I'm just going to glue it down here using hot glue, and on top of this I'm just going to stick this bindi over here like this, and the basket is ready now. And sorry for this kind of video because the actual video I took just got deleted by mistake, and I hope you will adjust with me with this video. And I wanted to show you this basket. So I just posted a like this video. I hope you like this video. Next time I will come up with more ideas with popsicle sticks, and you can use this as flower basket or fruit basket. And sorry for this kind of video, and I hope you will adjust with me. And as it is Onam time, we can pluck flowers and keep it inside this. And thank you for watching. Please share, subscribe and like to my videos. Thank you for watching. And I have hope you have seen my old videos also and supported me in that videos.